This video is about traditional food from different countries. Kimchi from South Korea, parrillada from Argentina, moules frites from Belgium, tea leaf salad from Myanmar, paprikas crumpli from Hungary, pho from Vietnam, fish and chips from the United Kingdom, mansaf from Jordan, shawarma from UAE, nasi goreng from Indonesia, sauerbraten from Germany, shish barak from Lebanon, tamales from Mexico, pavlova from New Zealand, köttbullar from Sweden, poffertjes from the Netherlands, tagine zitoun from Algeria, einmed olu from Iceland, meat pie from Australia, kabsa from Saudi Arabia, bandeja paisa from Colombia, pot-au-feu from France, picanha from Brazil, borscht from Ukraine, Wiener Schnitzel from Austria, beef kalabhuna from Bangladesh, apple pie from USA, nasi lemak from Malaysia, gyro from Greece, chili crab from Singapore, koreshte fesenjan from Iran, fish ambulthial from Sri Lanka, xiaolongbao from China, banitsa from Bulgaria, frikadeller from Denmark, biryani from Pakistan, sarmale from Romania, koshari from Egypt, amok tray from Cambodia, pizza margherita from Italy, zapiekanka from Poland, chipsi mayai from East Africa, svikova from Czech Republic, egg waffles from Hong Kong, pad thai from Thailand, Tunisian tagine from Tunisia, tagine from Morocco, pastel de nata from Portugal, sushi from Japan, salmon soup from Finland, ugali from Kenya, boerewors roll from South Africa, dolma from Azerbaijan, Karageorgieva schnitzla from Serbia, empanada from Chile, paella from Spain, pupusas from El Salvador, lagman from Uzbekistan, Mazgouf from Iraq. Pancit from the Philippines. Tikka masala from India. Baklava from Turkey. Uzbek plov from Uzbekistan. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to Elite Data for more information.